welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Amanda, otherwise known as Everything Beauty 2856 on here and Instagram. Today is my birthday. I'm not gonna put it up on my birthday, but today's my birthday. And your girl turned 26 today. And so I was like, well, what do you really do with Miss COVID around? So I decided to go shopping. I went to Michael's, TJ Maxx, and Target. Don't worry, I wore a mask the whole time because I'm not a shithead. And I don't know, I kind of just felt inspired. I just moved back into my apartment in Muncie last week. So I kind of want to like do some decorating and things. I was originally going to go to IKEA today, but when I went to like look online for all the stuff I wanted, none of it was in stock at the one by me. And I was like, damn, that really sucks, because essentially I really want to redo my beauty space. I think it would help inspire me a little bit more. And I'm like, for the first time in a while, like financially able to do it because I worked all summer. But of course they didn't have what I wanted, so I have to wait. So until then, I thought I would decorate and do some fun stuff. I'm not even wearing makeup in this. Who is she? But it's just been so hot wearing masks and everything on campus, and it's been like 90 degrees in Indiana, so I did get a lot of fall stuff, and I'm so jacked. Once September 1st hits, I will be making like official fall videos. I'm so excited. Fall is by far my fave season, so I'm so jacked. I need to stop babbling and let's get into the haul. I'm kind of shook because I didn't buy any beauty products this time around. I also steered clear of the clothing. This is more so just like a home haul, so I'm really excited about it. So we're gonna go in the order of where I went. So we started at Michael's, and I'm so excited. So I've seen this trend on TikTok, which I feel like everything I do in my life starts with that. But so I saw this thing on TikTok where people do like a flower wall. So it's like hanging one individual flower like all over your room. I've seen people do with the same flowers, different color flowers, and I was like, shit, that looks really cool and kind of simple. So I'm not always the most crafty. I mean, that you see this big ass tapestry, I want to take that down. Like I want this to be kind of a sexier, more adult apartment, you know what I mean? So I thought that this would be cool. So I got these fall colored faux flowers, and so I just picked like a bunch that I thought were really cute. And it's going to be really easy to cut them off because they're like stemmed like that. And you just basically like arrange them around your wall. And I have this perfect wall in my room I'm going to do it with. And I'm really excited. I feel like it's going to look super cute. I'm going to do a whole video like showing like decorating my apartment. So I hope you are interested in that. And I hope it turns out well, because if it doesn't, I probably won't show it. But so I got those to my IG. I'll like put up a little like picture of like my inspo for this that I've seen on TikTok. But so for that, I got these command hooks, and they're like itty bitty, and they're specifically for decorating, and they're damage free because I've seen some that are like horror stories of it stripping the paint off your walls. So I hope these work out. I've never used command strips, so we'll see what happens. I'm trying to get like good natural lighting still, so if it gets a little weird, I'm sorry about that, but I feel like it makes me look like angelic. And then the last things I got from Michael's were, so these are really cool. So if you can see, they're not lit, but I have these like, I call them Seduction Lights. And they're white, and like half of them are burnt out since the last time I'd been here. So I thought it'd be really cool to go along with the flowers in my room to get some like orange ones for fall. And these are the Harvest Color Light set. And look how dope these are. So it's not just red, but it's like red, orange, yellow, like a mustardy color. I'm so hyped for these. I think they'll be really cool. So I got 2 of these, and I'm gonna see how they work. They're 10 feet long, and I feel like I can make these look really cute. I'm really excited. So I'll let you know. Everything was super cheap though. All of the fall stuff was 40% off. So like all of the flowers I got for like $1 a bundle. Little command hooks were like $13, but you get 40 of them in here. And then these lights were like $7.99 each. So really not bad. I didn't do too much damage at Michael's. Moving on, we went to Miss TJ Maxx. And again, I've got some good things that I've been wanting for kind of a while, but haven't been able to find or just haven't actively looked for. And something about my new place and something I've realized I'm really passionate about are both coffee and cocktails. A few weeks ago, I purchased a cold brew maker that I got from a small business in Tennessee, which I'll feature in an upcoming video. I want to do a lot about like I want to do a video dedicated to like kind of my like coffee cocktail bar area, because again, I feel like it'd be cool. So I've been trying to experiment with that stuff a little bit more, because I was a server and bartender this summer. It's like higher end spa, and I don't know, it's been something I've always done for a long time, and I really enjoy it. So that's a lot to say. I'm redoing my like coffee bar area. So for starters, I found these really cool, these are skinny syrups. I found a pumpkin one there last time I was there, and I put it in my coffee now. So they're skinny syrups. They're 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 carb. So dope. And I got this one, so it has like a little sampler pack, and it has lemon elderflower, blueberry lavender, and strawberry rose. And you can put these in anything. It says like lemonades, parfaits, desserts, things, but I'm gonna put these in cocktails with some like sparkling club soda and like some vodka, or like any gin, any liquor you want. I'm really excited for these. And they had a ton, and this 3-pack was $6.99. So I felt like even if I don't like it, I can pawn it off to somebody else. And then I got this lemon squeeze and pour. You just put your lemon around there, and then it collects all the juice, so you can just pour it in your drink. I got this for lemon water, cocktails, anything I want to use it for. And it's only $2.99. Like, I felt like, why the hell not, you know? So I'm really excited about that, just because every time I make lemon water, seeds get everywhere. So we're trying to prevent that now. The next thing I got that I have been wanting for a long time but haven't like actively looked for are these reusable coffee pods, and they're for your Keurig. So instead of having to throw them away every time, which I hate being so wasteful, you can just fill this with any ground coffee. So you can even get cheap coffee from the store, you can get it from your favorite small coffee shop, and just fill these up and then rinse them out when you're done. This is perfect. You get 3 of them for $3.99. So like, I feel like how could you not justify it? And I feel like this is gonna pay for itself. So I'm so stoked. And then the last thing I got from TJ Maxx, which I'm so excited about, are this 4-pack of diet ginger beer. They had the regular, but ginger beer has a ton of sugar, and I'm trying to be chill. And also I just like the taste of diet better. And so it's a 4-pack of these, and it was $3.99. So like about $1 per one. And I'm going to make Moscow Mules. I'm so excited. It's like the perfect fall drink, you know what I mean? It's like cold, but like because of the ginger, it feels like it's like giving your insides a hug. I fucking love it. So I didn't get too much at TJ Maxx, but again, we need to chill a little bit. Now we're going to Target. So from Target, I got like kind of a random array of things, but it's fine. So first I got some Q-tips. I know before anybody says anything, I've heard they're not that good for your ears, but they just make me feel clean. There's something about getting out of the shower using a Q-tip. You get the vibe. So I got some of those. And then I got from their like dollar section, I got this power strip, which I've been meaning to get because at night I realize sometimes I need to charge my laptop, my Apple Watch, my phone. Like I have to charge all this shit. And fun fact about my apartment, only the bottom of the outlets work between them. So it's like, I have to be very strategic with what I do. So I got this. This is only $5. I was super excited. Oh, and if you're wondering, the Q-tips were $1.99. And yeah, I feel like I'm gonna get so much use out of this. I'm literally gonna plug it in tonight, so I'm pretty jacked. And then I needed some dish soap. Obviously, I love the environment. I'm trying to be as just less wasteful in general. And I've never like bought bougie hand soap. So I got this from the brand Everspring, and it's the lemon and mint dish soap. It smells really cute because I have like a lemon theme going in my kitchen, so I felt like this would match well. And it's a biodegradable formula, not tested on animals, and a 97% bio-based product. I'm so jacked, and this was only $2.97, which I feel like for most like bougie stuff, it's like more expensive. The last dish soap I had was the Blue Dawn Everyone, and their mom has, and it's good, but I mean, for the same price, I can get this, so go off. Ooh. Next, I got these last year, and I think I put them in a video, and I'm so excited about them. Pumpkin cheesecake cookies. They're so yummy. I feel like these are gonna be so good dipped in coffee or something. Like I said, I had them last year. I didn't really think about them, and then I saw them this year and I was like, oh hell yeah. These are only like, they're $3 something, so a little bit more pricey, and I normally don't keep like cookies and stuff around, but we gotta make an exception for my baby fall. So then I got a couple of cute decorations from the dollar section. These were each $3, and they're these really cute like plummy wreaths. Ooh, she's fall, bitch. Thank you. Oh. But I got these really cute ones. I think that I'm gonna decorate them kind of cool as like wall art. And I don't know, I'll figure something out like putting stuff around them, but I'm really excited. And to go along with that for the wall, I got this was only $1, and this is from the dollar section, of course, and it's this little like fake book, and it says enchantments and spells. I don't know, I thought it was super cute, and so it opens, so you could keep like jewelry or something in here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put like a thumbtack through it, and I'm gonna hang it up on the wall with this stuff and just make it kind of cute looking. So I'm pretty excited about that. I just want everything in my house to be fall as hell, so yeah. And the last few things I got these really cute pumpkins from the dollar section. They're so cute, and they're like squishy and suede. They're really nice quality, actually. So I got one of each color and $1 each. I'm gonna like set them somewhere, I think on my dresser, just to feel the fall vibes. You know what I mean? Because at this point I have wall art, but I need like other stuff. And eventually when I get a little bar table, I'd love to put these on. So really stoked about these. Good quality for the price, you know. I got a couple limes. They're 49 cents a piece, but because I just got stuff for mules, I need some limes because it's an essential part. So excited about those. Last but not least, debatably my most important purchase is this big ass bottle of Tito's. Right now in my freezer, I have the Deep Eddies Grapefruit Vodka. It's really yummy, really cute, but like you can't go wrong with Tito's, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna use this for mules. I'm gonna use this with those cute flavors. I don't know, I have a lot of plans for these. I might even do like, I have this lemon, or like I could do like a blueberry lavender mule. It sounds so good. And this will last me a long time. Like I'm one person and I don't drink that much. So I feel like it's gonna work out well. So I'm so excited. This is like $34 if you're curious. So yeah, everyone, that was my birthday haul. These are all just kind of birthday presents from me. And I think I ended up spending like $120 at all three, something like that. So it wasn't anything super crazy. And I hope you really liked this video. It was nice talking to you all. So again, please go ahead and subscribe, give it a like, and also follow me on Instagram to see how I style some of these pieces. And comment down below if you want to see any more fall hauls or what you want to see for this fall, because though it's in COVID and we can't go out and do as much, the content can still be fun and fallish. So I hope you all love this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.